In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best radiator cleaner fluids in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which radiator cleaner fluids is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Liqui Moly 2051 Radiator Cleaner. Liqui Moly 2051 Radiator Flush. No core cost required. Parts interchange 2051, 97199001463, 97199001463 with over 4,000 products connecting to motor and transmission oils, fuel and also oil additives, vehicle care, chemical repair work help as well as service products, adhesives as well as sealants. Liqui Moly uses a globally unique full array and outright premium, whether for cars and trucks, bikes, commercial vehicles, building and construction equipment, watercraft, or garden devices. Our problem solvers lengthen the service life of motors and also aggregates as well as ensure their excellent performance and also proper function for many years ahead. As a hotbed of concepts with Swabian origins and also a conscientious global gamer, we only study, establish as well as make in Germany, even today. And also we have been increasing the bar in regards to top quality and service for 60 years. Our remedies are largely based on our very own dishes, which we completely test and also adjust to the most recent technical conditions. Continuous quality examinations from raw material deliveries to manufacturing, throughout to shipment guarantee. Optimal assurance. Point 1 Brand name. All services. We are among the minority full-range brands on the planet as well as use greater than 4,000 products from our one-stop shop. Here is the item number 4. Bars Leaks Radiator Cleaner Fluid. Functions with all kinds and also colors of antifreeze coolant, stops as well as secures coolant leakages. One container treats up to 4 gallons, works with all types and shades of antifreeze coolant, quits and secures coolant leakages. One bottle deals with approximately 4 gallons. Image this. You leave to your driveway or garage and also see fluid merging on the flooring, as well as promptly think about the trouble of seeing a technician, plus the pricey expense that comes with the option. What you require is a secure as well as very easy means to stop that leak so you can get on with your day as prepared. Our Bars Leaks Radiator Stop Leakage Concentrate will do simply that. At Bars Leakages, each of our products is easy to use. There's no special vehicle competence called for. If you can stand out the hood on your auto, you can utilize our radiator sealer and other products. Each of our services is budget-friendly, setting you back just a portion of what you'll invest in dealing with a technician. As well as each of our items includes the pledge of efficiency. Our Radiator Quit Leakage Concentrate is among many chemical repair solutions offered at Bars Leaks. This product is particularly made to quit small air conditioning system leaks and drips caused by typical cooling system wear and age. The item number 3, Radiator Genie Water Air Cleaning. Fast and also simple cleaning for all your equipment, filters as well as almost anything that is unclean. Patented fan head increases pressure and also working width for maximum cleaning. Unique size tube to accessibility constrained areas. Air wand to blow away debris. Water wand to remove grime. Expands the life of your equipment by maintaining it clean and also running cool. Allows more time running your makers with less downtime. Overall size 22.5 inch, nozzle size 17 with Radiator Genie. Cleaning your tools, filters, and also practically anything dirty has actually never ever been easier. With our trademarked follower head, we maximize pressure and working with for the fastest as well as a lot of reliable tidy. Keep your equipment running better and longer while lessening downtime with Radiator Genie. Powerful air stick swiftly burn out particles with the Radiator Genie air stick. Access restricted locations. The special sized tube permits easy accessibility to confined and hard to reach components. High pressure water stick remove crud and keep your maker trendy with the Radiator Genie water wand. Prolong tools life. Maintain your tools running longer by keeping it clean. Number 2 in our list, Bars Leaks Pelletized HD Radiator seals leaks, conditions cooling system, hinders rust as well as corrosion. Lubes water pump seals, assists control electrolysis. Radiator leakages can be overwhelming, particularly when you don't have the moment or the money to take your car to the shop. Many first discover these seal coolant leaks when they go out to their car and also see a pool resting beneath it. The preliminary reaction is to assume that the leak will create a pricey browse through to the garage, in addition to the hassle of going without your auto during the repair service. Well, it's time to reduce your concerns, because we have actually created a quick and also easy to use product that seals internal, exterior, as well as coolant to oil leakages. Our Bars Leaks Pelletized Radiator Strong Stop Leakage is specially created to secure larger leakages better than other quit leak products. You'll find plenty of powder formula radiator quit leak products on the marketplace. Our pelletized radiator sturdy quit leak is functional, also functioning securely and also effectively on plastic, aluminum as well as metal radiators, heating unit cores, gaskets, and also freeze plugs. The top one in our list, Evapo-Rust Radiator Cleaner Fluids. Evapo-Rust Rust Remover. Evapo-Rust effortlessly eliminates corrosion from automotive components, equipment, tools, cookware, as well as antiques without any scrubbing up or sanding. Thermocure formula. Thermocure is made from a non-toxic and also water-based remedy that is user-friendly on automobile air conditioning systems. It is non-corrosive and non-flammable. Very easy application. This safe, non-flammable solution eliminates corrosion that creates getting too hot in 3 very easy actions. Deals with cooling systems up to 3 gallons. Usage. The cooling system cleaner removes corrosion from the cooling system in 3 easy steps that include draining the coolant, adding the option, and rounding off with water, letting the option stay in the vehicle for 3 to 4 hours, approximately numerous days. Drain the air conditioning system as well as flush 3 to 4 times with water. Fill up with the maker's recommended coolant. Specifications. Our Thermocure cleanser is offered in a 32 ounces container. The Thermocure corrosion eliminator safeguards the cars and truck engines from overheating by getting rid of rust ranges as well as down payments from the coolant system. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best radiator cleaner fluids amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.